Hello everyone and welcome into today's new video. In today's video we are going to be doing something similar to a previous video, and it is about some of the best lenses that has been produced by Nikon. I hope you enjoy the video, but also don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with turning the notification on to get the latest news on the channel. So without further ado, let's get started. We are going to start on the number 1 with the Nikon Z24mm lenses. This lens has such a sharp, versatile and durable telephoto zoom when coupled with its fast 2.8 constant aperture, and that makes a perfect choice to capture action shots such as motor ride videos or action videos like car videos and more. Also, using the zoom lenses at a longer focal length compresses the scene, drawing the attention to the subject by pulling them away from the background. In essence, this is narrowing the perspective, which creates a more flattering portrait. On to the number 2 with the Nikon 85mm f1.4G lenses. The f1.4 aperture creates an amazing soft bokeh due to its rounded 9-blade diaphragm. It also does an amazing job in low light shooting situations, and because Nikon has optimized these lenses for edge-to-edge sharpness, we can expect fantastic results regardless of what type of Nikon body you are using. Coming on to number 3 with the Nikon Z24mm. This is one of the best lenses that has been produced by Nikon, and it has a very strong portrait. Its autofocus is one of the fastest, and the zoom is very good when you use the autofocus with it. You can use this lens in any type of situations like wedding photos, car videos and more. It has really high resolution, and all the photos that you take with these lenses seems to be very professional, and I really recommend you to buy this. This was the video for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Also, don't forget to check the videos on the channel. There are some new videos, and I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.